How to install WordPress on Namecheap. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to utilize and use WordPress on Namecheap, maybe from the domains that you have bought or through the WordPress hosting over here. Now, as you can see on our screen, we're currently in Namecheap, and to be able to access and utilize WordPress, we will have to use it through WordPress option over here on the navbar. As you can see, we have two options. We have manage WordPress hosting or migrate to WordPress. The manage WordPress hosting, this is where we will be able to install WordPress into our Namecheap and use it to create our websites using the domains that we have bought. You can also migrate to WordPress if ever you have used Namecheap's website builder or any other website builder that you have used, that you have applied the domain from Namecheap. This is where you will be able to do it. But in today's video, we will be focusing on how to manage or how to install WordPress hosting. So when you navigate to WordPress or manage WordPress hosting, this is what you're going to see. Now, the WordPress hosting is not a free option or it's not a free feature. You would need to pay for it, and these are the following plans for this specific website holding or WordPress hosting over here. As you can see, it's a bit cheap. It's much cheaper than you might thought. And this is the pricing for the monthly payment. As you can see, it's almost $7 for the starter, $13 for the turbo, and you have $20 for the supersonic. Although you could have a trial version over here, as you can see, you will be able to have the first month free, and you could easily test out how it works, see if you like it before you start paying for the pricing or the actual price. As you can see. You can see here at the bottom, 30 days free trial, renews at $6.88 per month. Now, I have here my EasyWP over here. This is what you're going to see after you purchase or after you try your free version of your WordPress hosting from Namecheap, which is going to be hosted by EasyWP, which is over here, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on manage. Over here, this is where we will be able to see information about our website or our domain itself. We will be able to see an overview over here. You can see the version of the WordPress available, the storage that you are using, the performance, the security, and the expiration date over here. You can see the title, you can see the domain. You can easily change the domain that you have over here to whatever domain that you have on Namecheap, because the domain that will be given to you from EasyWP is like a template or like a trial, not an actual domain. It's like a subdomain. So if you have your own domain from Namecheap, you can easily just apply it over here. You can also check out the SSL certificate, the status, and subscription plan over here. And you have your backups. You can check it out. File database over here, analytics, security, and add-on. Now, when you afford or when you install or when you purchase the WordPress hosting, it will automatically install WordPress inside of EasyWP. Keep in mind, they're like a partnership wherein in Namecheap, EasyWP is what handles WordPress hosting or any WordPress interaction in general. So over here, as you can see, you might notice that we have a WP admin. Simply select WP admin, which will redirect us to another page where we will be able to actually access our account or this website over here inside of WordPress. As you can see, this is what the dashboard of WordPress looks like. And now you can easily utilize and create posts, create your website, all the things that you would usually be able to do in your normal WordPress. But this time, it is going to be hosted, or it comes from Namecheap. And as you saw earlier, over here, you will be able to easily change your domain that you will be able to, or that you have purchased in your Namecheap. Or you can also apply a domain or put in a domain that comes from another platform. Let's say GoDaddy or any other domain platforms that sells domain. You can see here. There's an instructions on how you will be able to do it. You have your typing the domain, then pointing the domain to ECP, all of those things. But I would recommend that you change your domain from a domain that you will be purchasing from Namecheap, because if you're hosting through Namecheap either way and through their WordPress, you should buy a domain from their platform instead of buying from another platform, because the process is a bit tedious or if you want to transfer a domain that you have purchased from another platform into this. So I would recommend that you purchase your domain in Namecheap so that it's very easy to, as you can see, input or put your own domain that you have purchased into the our.ezwp over here, which will automatically be used by our WordPress, as you can see. And you will be able to see if there's an update for the WordPress. As you can see, it keeps it updated automatically. There's also some database access over here that you could have. You could have some analytics as well to check it out. You have security, and you have your add-ons, as you can see. Also, when it comes to WordPress over here, you will be able to use all of the features that is available for you. Like, there's no feature that is not available for you or limited to what you have. So you will have here your usual features inside of WordPress. So you won't be missing out, or there won't be anything that will be not given to you. As you can see, you could install plugins, all of those things. You could install whatever plugins that you want. Usually in WordPress, it won't really allow you to install plugins unless you have a plan inside of WordPress itself. So over here, really great. You will be able to use all the features with ease, and you can easily view the live version of your website through the link provided over here. As you can see, this is what the website currently looks like. You can now change, edit the website, do whatever modification that you want, as you can see here. And you can even just publish it if you want it right away. So aside from that, you could also check out the migrate to WordPress over here. If you want to migrate to EZWP, as you can see, it's completely free. As you can see here, it will help you migrate your WordPress website. So if ever you have created a WordPress website already inside of WordPress itself, you could transfer it into EZWP so that you could manage it and use this admin page over here, their page, so that you will be able to analyze and check out the different content and manage them with ease. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.